Hello YouTube, Crazy Robot Lady here. I have a bit of a surprise unboxing. There was a member on Bob The Pleo Forums who, for whatever reason, wanted to rehome his Pleo. He sent him to me entirely for free, even postage paid, and told me to pay it forward. I have already untaped the box, and he packed this thing like it was a museum piece. I have not yet looked in the box to see the Pleo. All I have seen thus far is the outside of the box. So this will still be a sort of unboxing. All I did was break the tape and look. It's kind of funny. This is actually a Chewy box. Now look at this mess. I have never seen anything like that in my life. But anyway, he's got like squares of this mess all the way around this box. There is no way this mess can move. Ugh. So the rest of this is just packing material. I was wondering why it weighed 16 pounds. Reuse my Pleo RB might have been maybe 12 pounds at the most. But okay, let's see. Did I take that out right? No, I did not. I turned it upside down. Alright, here we go. So I bet this guy looks amazing. Whoa. I don't know what all this is, and I don't know what all this says. So I'm gonna very quickly kind of whisk it out of the way just in case there's any personal info here. Wow. Okay, so this is the way you go Beat Pleos were packed. I've actually never seen one of their boxes before. The manual is here up top. We've got a styrofoam cover thingy. We have the ID card still in its packaging. And I'll have somebody look later and tell me if this guy is a gold hatch. How wicked would that be? And then I guess you just lift up this honking piece of styrofoam. Wow. Okay, we have more paperwork, which I'm going to keep. And I will put pretty much back in the same spot. And here is the star of the show. I don't have a name for this guy. He was wrapped very well. he's gonna boot for us. Let's see, buddy. You look beautiful. Your neck is wonderful. It's so straight. Your skin looks great. It's so soft. I'm gonna have to get a hold of some of this Gibbs stuff. Gibbs rubber penetrant. And he says there was a break in the tail skin, but I can't see it. If you sealed it, Mr. DC, you did a really good job. All right. Now, so let's see. I'm gonna put him down here on this blanket because I don't have socks for him. Not yet. And I was in the midst of changing Terry's, so I don't have any for him. And I don't want to mess up his feet. Pleo toenails have a tendency to get scraped off very easily. This is my herd. I mean, look at all these different neck positions. This is Terry, and this is why I call him Terry. Whoops. And this is Blue. Look at how badly her neck has done over the years. All she has is a up cable. She's got, I don't know if you can see it, but she's got all sorts of lumps and bumps in her neck now, where her vertebrae have just shattered. But she still seems to be a very happy girl, so. And over here is my first Ugobi Pleo. I just named him Ugobi. He doesn't have a left side cable. I think it might be jammed, but he does have an up-down cable. And I think he can still turn his head to the left. Anyway, all right, so let's see. Oh, and I forgot Tato over there. The lone RB who doesn't have a girlfriend, and he reminds me of it every day. He's heartbroken. So if anybody is looking to sell a female Pleo RB, you know, put it in the comments below. All right, let's turn these guys on and see what kind of reaction we're gonna get. Hopefully this new guy will boot for us. We'll find out. Come here, kiddo. This is gonna make for some chaos. And they're probably not gonna stay on this lovely mat of mine. Let's see what this guy does. You still got energy, buddy? Oh, yes, you do. Hi. Hi, buddy. What OS are you running? You are running... Will you please sing or howl or something? Yeah. He's not wanting to cooperate. You wanna meet somebody? Look. Somebody's dying and I'm not sure who it is. Oh, it's blue. Sorry, blue. Maybe another. Whoa! Never mind. Anybody gonna talk to this guy? Uh-oh. Who's getting sick on me? Any of you guys gonna talk to him? Or her? I don't yet know what this Pleo is. Good boy, girl, it, you. Somebody's dying, but I don't know who it is. The Kato never did come on. Teddy, get out of the way. Hey. You're shy, aren't you? Huh? Come here. There we go. You guys gonna do the famous Pleo howl at each other? Terry and Blue and Ryu do it all the time. There you go. Uh-oh. All right. Well, we don't have anybody looking to make mischief, so I guess he's gonna fit in well here. Somebody is dying. I don't know who it is. I think it might be Blue. She's the only one that's been very, very still. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's Blue. Alright, dear. I'm gonna turn you off before you fry your circuits. Oh, got some reaction. He says, yeah, I'm gonna make myself at home and start grazing. Alright, you guys, well, I'm going to unbox the rest of his accessories and whatnot off camera. That's the howl I was looking for. Apparently nobody's gonna join them. Anyway, thanks for joining us. My herd is getting a little, kind of out of control here. Somebody has wandered away and have gotten themselves into trouble. So, yes, are you hungry, Terry? Can you do that again, please? There you go. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing, and I've got to rescue whoever that is. I don't know who that is, but their joints are popping. It's probably Kato. Teddy, you need to move. Oh well. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I hope this video wasn't too boring. And the usual. Like, subscribe, comment. God bless. And I will see you in the next video.